Hey, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about installing Claude CLI. It's going to be a really quick episode. I know if you're like me, you've looked around, tried to do it, and found a lot of convoluted answers. So we're going to ask Claude, what is the best way to install Claude CLI? And this is exactly what I ended up doing. I did it the hard way kind of first. I downloaded Claude.ai because it seemed so hard to download Claude CLI based on what I saw on the web. But this is it. This one line that I'm going to copy and I'll post in the description is all you need. So you need to open up a Windows command terminal or PowerShell. You have it on your machine. If you're on Windows, you just go into the search bar and type PowerShell. It's going to come up, and type that one line into it, and that's going to start your download. That's it. It will want you to upgrade PowerShell to 7 later, or whatever the new current version is. And there are some other programs that you may want to get, but Claude is going to be your guide once you have it installed. So do that first step. Take the leap. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you like this, please give a fellow a follow.
Still, not a coder.